This brings us on down to our more elastic or reactive component. This is just looking to get us used to hitting the ground and springing back up again as quickly as possible. So we start off with our simple pogos here. I used to push these as a straight knee. Now I'm looking for more, you can keep that bent knee, but look to be nice and reactive. You're getting a bit of height without a maximal effort each time, but look to spend as little time on the ground as possible. Progress down to our split stance one, just so we're getting used to put a little bit more force through different feet at the same time. When we're sprinting, we're never on both feet at the same time. We're always on one leg or the other, coming from one to the other. And just the split stance pogos are a nice way to get us prepared for a little bit more weight on one foot versus the other. And then that brings us into our alternating stance one. So we're getting used to more of that dynamic stuff, where we're moving one foot in front of the other, but still a little bit more of a spread out weight across the 2 feet. It just allows us to do a little bit more work. If we do an awful lot of single leg stuff, which we're coming into next, it can just be really fatiguing and tiring on the legs and can be a little bit too much for them to handle that overall volume. Whereas by doing a lot of split stance or alternating stance stuff, it just allows us to build up more work, which in turn helps us adapt and get more from. That's where we bring in our one leg pogos, but I'd be minimal enough in how much of these I do